we got the UltraTouch 3.5 inch R13 denim, recycled denim insulation to go in the voids of the studs. The 15 inches wide, 93 inches long for each section. They fit right in the voids nice and easy. You get 8 of these per bat. Nice, fresh, no fiberglass fibers going on you, no itchiness. Ready to go, ready to rock and roll. Here we have the UltraTouch recycled denim insulation, R13, both for sound and thermal insulation, made from recycled denim, so no fiberglass, no itchiness going on in there. And we're going to use what's called friction fit today. These are exactly 15 inches to fit in between the wood studs. Go in there nice and easy, no staples needed. And you just put it right up there in the corner, push it in a little bit, and then walk it down. Nice and easy. Nice, easy friction fit. Next up, we'll go the mass-loaded vinyl. Luxury liner, 1 pound mass-loaded vinyl is going to go on here. We're soundproofing this wall. It's the entrance wall of my house on the other side. It's got some holes in it. We're going to double drywall on the other side. So we're not worried about those right now. We'll get them fixed next. And we're going to get the UltraTouch insulation in all the voids here. Get some 5/8 drywall up on top of the mass-loaded vinyl. And we're going to have a nice, solid, soundproof wall. Second skin for the win. Boom. Nice and perfect fit. Use the extra to stuff in stuff like this. Boop. We've got an electrical box back here. We're just going to trim around the electrical box. A little chunk under there. There we go. Stuff that right in there. Boop. All good. Oh yeah. Level 1 soundproofing is complete. All the UltraTouch recycled denim insulation is up and looking good. Sounding good already in here. Second skin for the win. All right, you can use a ladder to hold the weight of the mass-loaded vinyl. Let's see if I can get this lined up nice and easy. Alrighty, we're gonna go up this top left corner. All right. About every 6 inches. Alrighty. And then from there, you're going to roll it down slowly and catch your studs. All right, now that I got it up there with some staples, I'm going to go through with the plastic cap nails that are going to distribute the weight and hold it up there for good. All right, I got about a 3-inch gap on the bottom that I have to seal up. I'm going to be using this vinyl tape from ours from Second Skin here. This is the 3-inch strip that I got to attach to the bottom in there. I figured if I tape it first, it'll be easier to attach. Anyway, so I'm going to tape it first and then take it in there to meet up to the seam inside there. Rips pretty easy. Right now I got a nice strip that's pre-taped and ready to rock and roll. All sealed up. Hit it with the nail gun a couple times, get it stuck on there nice and good. Oh, that's that metal there. Don't want to do it there. Second strip going up. Gotta do our best to match up the seams so we have the least amount of cutting we can possibly have. Alrighty, hand me that nail gun. Over here, I want to get as close as I possibly can. About every 6 inches with the header up here. And then same thing, we're just going to unroll it and then we're going to trim where it beats up and tape that up there. Get them seams in there nice and tight. Oh. There we go. After we get the seams all lined up and trimmed up nice and tight, we're going to go over with some vinyl tape to seal them up nice and good. Start from the bottom, we're going to go all the way to the top. Alrighty, I'm going to get on the step stool and go all the way up to the top next. Nice and smooth, sealed up nice and tight. The Second Skin difference. Level 2 soundproofing almost finished. Just got a little section left over there after the wires go in. All right, here we are in stage 3 sound deadening. We got the UltraTouch denim fiber on the inside of the voids. We got a 1 pound mass loaded vinyl, luxury liner mass loaded vinyl, all the way up and down, seamed up, taped up the seams, and now we're hitting it up with the 5/8 drywall. The number 1 rule in soundproofing is never, thou shalt not use 1/2 inch drywall. Okay, I got it. Bottom gap look good? Well, why Second Skin Terry gets some electro work done over there. We're going to show you the difference here. On this wall, you've seen us put the denim in there, the voids, you've seen us put the 1 pound mass loaded vinyl in there, and then the 5/8 drywall. Over here is the part of the closet my dad did before he passed away, and nothing in the voids, and 1/2 inch. 5/8. Solid as a rock. Echo, echo, echo. Second skin difference. All right, gonna fill this up here. A nice bead of caulk. Seal that bad boy up.